The annual Wreath workshop is back for this holiday season at Wave Hill Public Garden and Cultural Center in Riverdale, and there was a lot to see this year.
This is Home for the Holidays weekend. It's one of the annual traditions at Wave Hill. It's our moment early in this winter season to welcome visitors from around the city and beyond to this wonderful, quiet, meditative garden where lots is happening, but in its own special way.
Floral designer Hanaka Shimamoto shared simple techniques for designing your own gorgeous, one-of-a-kind holiday decorations.
We're making holiday, the Christmas wreaths workshop, and then all the material comes from the gardens, and people are just gathering all the greens into the one beautiful Christmas wreath, and adding on to all the beautiful material, decoration, balls, and they will bring up handmade Christmas wreaths to the home and bring the holiday cheer to the home.
The cheer definitely spreads for sure for the holidays, and a local resident wanted to share her experience coming to the Wave Hills annual workshop.
I love making wreaths. I've been coming to Wave Hill for several years now. They have really, really interesting doodads and different kinds of foundation, and they help you. And Hanako especially was very helpful this year with making a bow and ideas, and it's just wonderful, and people are friendly, and it's beautiful here.
That's what the local vendors were doing as well, from clothing to jewelry to wine. And we're entering tea season, and what better way to comfort your tea with the Boogie Down Bronx honey?
We are a minority-owned family small business here in the Bronx. We have been beekeeping for 8 years, my daughters and I. We started just simply to teach the community kids about the importance of pollination, and we started selling honey 2 years ago. Honey is dictated on what the bees are foraging, so during the different seasons, you're going to get different flowers and therefore different taste in your honey. So earlier in the season, you're going to have thin, sweeter, lighter honey, and by the time the fall runs around, you're going to have deep, dark, rich, molasses-type honey here in the Bronx. Great for your cooking needs, your baking needs. The earliest honey, better for your teas and your little bakery to drizzle on your pancakes.
So, if you're interested in learning more about wreath making or listening to the beautiful orchestral music for the holidays, you can visit Wave Hill's website at www.wavehill.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Shanel Thompson.